How to send self-destructing photo in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can send a self-destructing photo in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a self-destructing photo on Telegram, open the Telegram application here, and then let's say you just happen to go to a certain chat over here, and then you open it up, and all you have to do is, normally if you just tap this little icon over here, you'll be able to go ahead and then select this option. But you want to tap this link icon, select the photo that you would basically like to send here, and then just tap the three dots option, and here you can see different sort of options over here. You can choose to basically first of all hide this with a spoiler. Otherwise what you can do is you can also go ahead and follow some of the other instructions to send this as a self-destructing photo over here. So you can select that, hit the arrow icon to send it, and it is going to get automatically deleted. Another thing that you can do is you can simply start a secret chat. So you can just tap this option here, tap the three dots option, and simply select start secret chat option here to start a secret chat. Any messages that you send within the secret chat will be destroyed itself automatically, so you don't have to do anything about it. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then basically send self-destructing photo in Telegram. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.